Hello my dear students and my dear friends. Today we are in the chapter Trigonometry and today we shall start the exercise. Exercise is 7.1. At first we have taken the question number 1. Let us read the question. Here, establish the sign of the following trigonometric ratios. There are 8 questions. Okay, so here suppose number 1 is sine 77 degree, number 2 is cos 125, number 3 is tan 714 degree. Now these trigonometric ratios are, sign means here they are positive or negative. This much we have to state here. Okay, now how we will do, what is the concept behind this? Concept is very simple, you know it. Actually this question is very simple. See, this is the concept, that is this quadrant. Okay, in the first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Here's only sine and its reciprocal cosec positive. In the third quadrant, that is tan and reciprocal, its reciprocal is cot. In the fourth quadrant, cos and its reciprocal sec are positive. Okay, here this angle lies, again you know it, then also I am recapitulating. Here the angle is in between 0 to 90 degree. Okay, 0 to 90 degree. Here the angle is in between 90 to 180 degree. Okay, then here it is 180 to 270 degree. Here the angle is 270 degree to 360 degree. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. This is the concept only, we know it. Okay, now here number 1, at first we can easily say the sign if we know the position of this trigonometric ratio. That means suppose sine 77 degree. Okay, now where does it lie? It lies in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant or fourth quadrant. Now you see sine 77 degree, it is in between 0 to 90 degree, that is it is in the first quadrant. Okay, lies in first quadrant. Okay, quadrant 1, quadrant 1. So in the first quadrant, sine is positive or negative? Here all the trigonometric ratios are positive, so it is positive. So sine, therefore sine 77 degree is positive. Okay, this is the answer, only this much we have to say. Here question is this one, positive or negative. So at first we shall state the quadrant, in which quadrant it lies, then we shall write whether it is positive or negative. Thus each sum is maximum 2 or 3 lines. Let us see the second one, cos of 125 degree. Okay, dear student, you see cos 125 can be written as 90 plus 35 degree. Now up to this much it is 90, so then plus 35, so where it will lie? I repeat, this is up to 90 degree. 90 degree is this much, then plus 35, 90 plus 35, 90 plus 35, so it will lie in the second quadrant. So we shall write lies in quadrant 2. So in quadrant 2, this cos is positive or negative? Here's only sine and its reciprocal is positive. Cos is never positive here, cos is negative. So therefore cos 125 degree is negative. I think you are getting my point. Number 3 is tan 714 degree. So let us express. Okay, tan of, let us see. Now where does it lie? This 714, where does it lie? Here, we don't know. We know only this much, that each quadrant the angle is 90 degree. Okay, the angle included is 90 degree. So where it will lie, what we will do? We shall divide this angle by 90 degree. So let us divide 714. Yes, 714. So 7, this is 4. Okay, yes, this is right. So how write? That is 7 into 90 degree plus 84 degree. Got it? 714. Always whatever be a big number, big angle means big angle, always we shall divide that angle by 90 degree to find its position, because each quadrant is of 90 degree. So we can, this is up to 90, this is 90 to 180, that is 1 into 90, this is 2 into 90, 3 into 90, 4 into 90, 5 into 90, 6 into 90, 7 into 90, 8 into 90, like this. we will see the rotation or revolution. Okay, now 7 into 90, where it will lie? This much at first let us see. This is 7 times we have to 7 into 90, 7 times we have to move 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to this much, means up to this much is up to third quadrant. Now plus 84, so it will move here in this quadrant. I repeat again, okay, this is the initial stage, that's why I am taking some time. Okay, 7 into 90 plus 84, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 into 90 plus 84 degree, so it will lie in the fourth quadrant, lies in quadrant 4. Got it? So here just we are counting after, okay, after some time, no need to count 7, so 4. Okay, one rotation is 4. Okay, always remember one rotation is 4. 4 into 4 5 6 7 like this. Okay, no need to count like this 1 2 3. You will be expert after a few days. Okay, so it lies in the quadrant 4. Now in that quadrant, fourth quadrant, 10 is positive or negative? Here cos is positive, 10 is not positive, so we'll write therefore 10 714 degree is negative. Okay, because that lies in the fourth quadrant. Now number 4 is sec of 1510 1510 degree. Let us frame in this form. Okay, so it is, we have to divide by 90 degree, no other way. This is the only rule. 1510 degree 1510. So this is 16 times we have to rotate plus 70 degree. Okay, see, 16 times you have to rotate. This is a table of 4 actually. 4 times, if we rotate 4 times, we come here. 4, 8, 12, 16. If we revolve 16 times, okay, you can, if you did not understand, I'm just explaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Like this. If we give one complete rotation, the quadrant revolved is 4. So in each revolution, okay, we revolve by 4 units. Okay, 4 rotation. So 4 unit, 4, 8, then 12, 16. 16 we have revolved like this. 16 times of 90 degree we come here plus 70 degree. Again I am repeating. 4 times 8, 12, 16 plus 70 in the first quadrant, lies in quadrant 1. In quadrant 1, sec is, all are positive, so obviously, so therefore sec 1510 degree is positive. Okay, now up to this much is done. Now let us rub it so that we can do the remaining sum. Okay, now let us do the number 5. It is sine of 2013 degree. Okay, let us convert it to 90. Let us divide by 90. 92, 180, 1, 2, correct? 3, 92, 180. This is 3, 33, correct? Yes, I think correct. So this is sine of 22 into 90 degree plus the remainder 33 degree. Where does it lie? You see, again same concept we shall apply. Multiple of 4. Okay, if it rotates by 4, it comes here. Okay, that is 360. That is 4 into 90. 4 times 8, 12, 16, 20 times, but it is 22. 20 here, no? 21, 22 times we have rotated, so we'll come here. Okay, again I am repeating. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 21, 22 up to this much plus 33 plus 33, it will be here in the third quadrant. Okay, lies in quadrant 3. Okay, now in quadrant 3, 10 is positive, this sign is negative. Therefore, sine of 2013 degree is negative. Right, that is done. Now number 6, cot of minus 777 degree. Now, my dear students, you know it. Cot of minus theta is what? This is minus cot theta, isn't it? So that concept we shall apply, because this angle minus theta means, okay, I am just recapitulating. Minus means this angle. This is minus theta. Minus theta. Here only cos is all sine, tan, cos. Here only cos is positive. Cos of minus theta is only plus theta. Sec of minus theta is sec theta. Cos and its reciprocal, they are positive in the fourth quadrant. Others angle are all negative. So cot of minus this is minus cot of 777 degree. So minus cot of, let us multiply by 90 degree. So divide by 90. 9777 720 57. Okay, so that is 8 into 90 degree plus 57 degree. Got it? Now you see. Okay, now there is already minus sign and this. Okay, at first we have to see where does this lies. This lies, you see, 8 into 90, 1 time 4 means 4, 8 up to this much, then plus 57. You see, at first we have to rotate 8 times. Okay, it means 98 into 90, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 means 2 rotation complete, plus 57. So we'll come here. We are in the first quadrant. Here cot of 8 into 90 degree plus 57 degree lies in quadrant 1. This lies in the quadrant 1 because this is 8 times. 8 times will be here. This is 4 times, then 8 times plus 57. It will be in the quadrant 1. Okay, so this much lies in the first quadrant. So this is positive, as it is everything, all the trigonometric ratios are positive here in the first quadrant, right? Okay, so this is positive. This positive and negative, that is minus plus is minus, so this trigonometric ratio is negative. I repeat how. This is positive, just like this. Minus into plus is minus. This is minus and this is plus, so minus plus minus. Okay, so therefore cot of minus 777 degree is negative. Okay, now let us do number 7. Okay, it is cosec of minus 1208 degree. Cosec of what we know? Cosec of minus theta is minus cosec theta. So let us write minus cosec theta, that is 1208 degree. Let us convert into 90. Let us divide by 90. 1208. 38. Okay, so this is 30 into 90 degree plus 38 degree. We want to see where does it lie. Here cosec 13 into 90 degree plus 38 degree. Where does it lie? Okay, this is 13 times of 90. 4 times, 8 times, 12 times, then this is 13 times. 13. Okay, again I repeat it. 4, 8, 12, 13. This is 13 plus 38. Plus 38 means it comes in the second quadrant. 4 times, 8 times, 12 times, up to this 12 times, 13 times. Okay, this is 13. Then 13 into 90 plus 38. It will come here. Okay, so it will lie is lies in second quadrant, quadrant 2. Now in quadrant 2, this cosec is positive or negative? Here in the second quadrant, cosine and its reciprocal, that is cosec, they are positive. So it is positive. Okay, here cosec 13 into 90 degree plus 38 degree is positive. Just I am explaining, is positive. But in the question, there is minus sign. So this minus plus is minus. This is positive. Positive plus, and this is minus. Minus plus is minus. So therefore cosec of 1208 degree is negative, because this is positive. Okay, it is positive, but due to this negative sign, minus plus minus, it is negative. Now last one, only one is left, number 8. Cos of minus 1895 degree. What we know? We know that cos of minus theta is cos theta. Okay, now where it will lie, let us see. Let us divide by 90, 1895. That is 21 times into 90 degree plus 0 degree. Means, well, let us see. 21 times of 90. Let us count at first. 21, 20 times 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Then 21 is this much plus 0, means in the second quadrant. I think I have to repeat it again. You see, at first again I am repeating it. 21 times of 90. 21, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 21, then plus 0 is there, plus something is there, plus whatever be the angle, 0. That means it lies in the second quadrant, lies in quadrant 2. Quadrant 2. Now in quadrant 2, cos is positive or negative? Here only sine is positive. So therefore cos of minus 1895 degree is negative. Why it is negative? Because it lies in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant only sine is positive. Cos is not positive, cos is negative. Okay, now my beloved students, we have taken question number 2. Let us read the question. Express the following trigonometrical ratios in terms of trigonometrical ratios of positive acute angle. First of all, you can see in this question that each angle is not acute angle. Now dear students, do you know what is an acute angle? Acute angle is an angle which is less than 90 degree. But here you see all the angles are, the magnitude is, all the angles are more than 90 degree. Okay, see, suppose this is 130. 130 is not less than 90 degree. It is more than 90 degree. So we have to convert each trigonometric ratios in the form of positive. First of all, they must be positive, and second thing is that they must be acute angles. Okay, let us see how we will do that. Suppose first one is sine of 130 degree. Okay, now sine 30. Okay, let us draw the concept here, ASTC. That means in the first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. Here sine and its reciprocal positive, here tan and its reciprocal positive. In the fourth quadrant cos and its reciprocal, that is sec, they are positive here. Now sine 130 can be written as sine of 90 degree plus 40 degree, is not it? 90 plus 40 is 130. Now as this is in terms of odd multiple of 90 degree, so sine is transformed into cos of 40 degree. Then we'll go for the sine. This is 130, that is 90 plus 40. This is 90, then plus 40. It is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, that's this sine is, you can say sine is positive here. So this is cos 40 positive. Okay, so we have got that sine 130 equal to cos of 40 degree. You can see that first of all this angle is acute angle. less than 90 degree. Now let us move to number 2. Sec of 190 degree. So sec, how can we express? This is 190 can be written as 2 into 90, 180 plus 10 degree. Got it? So this is obviously, you see, this is the even multiple of 90 degree. We know that if it is in terms of odd multiple of 90 degree, whatever be the trigonometric ratio, that is converted into the complementary one. Sine will be converted to cos, cos will be converted to sine. You know it. Okay, in the introduction part we have discussed all this. But if the ratio is in the form of even multiple of 90 degree, then ratio remain same, that is it will not going to change. Sec will be in sec only, so sec of 10 degree. Now we have to see whether this is positive or this is negative. Okay, now sec 2 into 90, you see dear students, 2 into 90, this is 190, 290, then plus here. Okay, here it is, you can see that this is in the third quadrant. My dear students, you can see 2 plus 90. One thing in shortcut, you can see that it is not necessary that how many times you will count. This is 2 plus 1, 3. That is third quadrant. Okay, so how many times? This is 1, this is 1, and this is 1. That is, this is in the second quadrant. This is 2 plus 1, third quadrant. This is another shortcut way to find it. This will be in which quadrant? 290, 190, 290, then plus 10. That is, it will be in the third quadrant. In third quadrant only 10 is positive, this sec is negative, this sec is negative, so it is minus sec 10 degree. Okay, here you see question is convert each in the trigonometric ratios of positive acute angles. These angles must be positive acute angle, this is not a negative acute angle. Okay, this positive doesn't mean that this sign must be positive, this may be positive, this may be negative, that doesn't matter, but the angles, included angle should be a positive acute angle. Now third one is cot of 200 degree. Now cot 200 degree can be expressed as 2 into 90, 180 plus 20 degree. Got it? So it is even multiple of 90 degree, so cot will be cot only. Now the sine, about the sine, you see this is positive acute angle. Now about the sine, this is in which quadrant? 2 plus 1, third quadrant. How? 290 degree, 190, 290, then plus 20, it will be here only. Okay, if you want to draw the angle, it is like this, suppose. Okay, so it is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, this cot is positive or negative? You see, in the third quadrant, 10 is positive, 10 and its reciprocal cot, they are positive, so this is also positive. Okay, then let us move to number 4. This is very easy sum, isn't it? Cos 300 degree. So cos, let us convert into 90 degree. So 90, 3 into 90, 270 plus 30. 3 into 90, 270 plus 30, 300 degree. Got it? Now this is in terms of odd multiple, so it will be, cos will be converted to sine of 30 degree. Now this is in which quadrant? 3 plus 1, 4, fourth quadrant. 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth quadrant. Okay, you can see that again. If you didn't understand the meaning of 3 plus 1, 4, we have to at first complete, we have to complete 3 times of 90 degree. 190 degree, 290 degree, 390 degree, then plus 30, it will be here. Okay, plus 30 degree, that means it is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, this cos is positive or negative? Cos is positive, so this is also positive. Okay, now let us move to fifth one. I think you are getting my point. Cosec 420 degree. Now cosec in terms of 90 degree, how can we write? So it is 4 into 90. 4 into 90 is 360, so it is more 60 degree. Got it? Okay, so it is even multiple of 90 degree, so that is, it will not going to change, it will be cosec, will be cosec only, cosec 60 degree. Now cosec 60 degree we have got, but this 420 or 4 into 90 plus 60, it is in which quadrant? You see, this is 4 plus 1 fifth, that means 1 2 3 4 plus 1 5. This is in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant all the trigonometry ratios are positive. If you didn't understand, again I am repeating. At first we have to complete 490 degree, 1 2 3 4 490 degree, then we have to move to this. Okay, so that is in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant all trigonometry ratios are positive. So thus we have completed up to number 5. Okay, now let us move to number 6. It is sine of 720 degree. Okay, now let us convert 8 into 90 degree plus 0 degree. Okay, so this is in the which quadrant? 9th quadrant. 8 plus 1 9. 1, that is directly you do, this is 4 times 8 times 9 times here in the first quadrant. Okay, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, that is up to 8 like this. If you give 2 rotation, we come here again, then plus 0 degree. So here. Okay, so that is in the first quadrant. So this is, first of all, it is even multiple, so directly sine of 0 degree, as it is in the first quadrant, this is going to be positive, right? 6 done. Number 7. Number 7 is this one, tan of 620 degree. So this can be written as tan of, in terms of 90 degree we have to convert it. Okay, you see, this is 6 into 90 540 plus 540 80. Okay, 80 degree. So you see here, this is the even multiple of 90 degree. So obviously it will not going to change. 10 80 degree, 10 will remain as 10. Okay, if it were odd multiple, then 10 is converted to cot of 80 degree. Okay, right. Now about the sine. It is in which quadrant? 6 plus 1 in the 7th quadrant, means 4. If we give 1 rotation, this is 4, or like this, let us count. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. At first, see, if you did not understand, again I am repeating. At first let us complete 6 rotation, 6 quadrant. 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to this. Then we have to make 80 degree. That means we have to move to the 3rd quadrant. In the 3rd quadrant, this tan is positive or negative? Positive. So this is positive. So 7 is done. Now let us move to number 8. 8 solution, cos of 1000 degree. Okay, all right, no problem. So cos of, this is, you see, 11 into 90. How much? 11 into 90, 990 plus more 10 degree. Now you see, this cos is in terms of odd multiple of 90 degree. So cos is converted to sine of 10 degree. Now about the sine. This is in the which quadrant? 11 plus 1 12 quadrant. So directly, okay, this is 4. Okay, 4, then 8, then 12, that is here. Okay, if you don't understand, again I am repeating. 11 plus 1 12. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, up to this much, means here 11, we have crossed 11 plus 12 here. This is in the 4th quadrant. In the 4th quadrant, this cos is positive, you can check. This is positive, this is not negative. Okay, so its answer is sine of 10 degree. All right, now let us do the remaining 9 and 10. Okay, so for that we have to rub the board. Okay, now my beloved students, let us move to number 9 now. The solution is, let us see, tan of minus 320 degree. Okay, you can recollect that tan of minus theta is how much? Minus of tan theta, because it is in the 4th quadrant. Okay, this is minus theta. Okay, let me write like this. This is minus theta. Okay, so in the 4th quadrant only cos is positive, cos and sec positive in the fourth quadrant. This tan is negative here. Okay, tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So we shall write minus tan of 320 degree. So let us convert it in terms of 90 degree. So 3 into 90, then 50 degree, correct? Okay, so it is odd multiple. So if it is odd multiple, so it is cot of 50 degree. Tan is converted to cot. Okay, we have converted. Now we have to look at the sign. Sign will be positive or negative. Let us see. And for that, to search the sign, what we have to do, we have to see where it is located. It is in which quadrant? That is, this is in the fourth quadrant. 3 plus 1, 4. That is, at first we have to move 390 degree. 1, 2, 3. 390 degree plus 50. So we have to move to the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, only cos is positive. This tan is not positive. This tan is negative here. So minus of cot 50 degree. Okay, so minus plus cot 50 degree. Perhaps in the book this answer is minus cot 50 degree. It is not minus, dear students, it is plus cot 50 degree. Alright, now let us move to number 10, last one of this. Sec of 900 minus 945 degree. Okay, dear student, you tell me, sec of minus theta is how much? Plus or minus? In this quadrant, fourth quadrant, cos and sec, they are positive. So this is sec of theta, that is sec of 945 degree. Okay, so sec of, let us convert into 90 degree. So that is 10 into 90 degree, 900 plus 45, right? So this is even multiple of 90 degree. So sec will remain as sec. Done? Okay. Now this is in the which quadrant? 10 plus 1, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. That is in the third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, 10 is positive. This sec is negative. I repeat it again. Okay, you see, this is at first we have to complete 10 times of 90 degree. 1, 2, 3, directly you can do. Okay, if you are expert, you see, 4, 4, 8, 9, 10. Then one more. Then we have completed up to 10, 90 degree up to this much. Then 45 degree. We have to move here. This is suppose 45 degree. Correct. So here we are in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, only trigonometry ratios tan and its reciprocal, that is cot, are positive. This sec is negative there. So minus sec of 45 degree. It is all right, my beloved students. We are in question number 3. Question number 3 is evaluate. Means we have to find the value of all this. There are few more, as there is less space, so we could not write. We will write later on. Now, first of all, we have to find the value of this, then the value of this, like this. Okay, there are few sums. Now at first, before starting, I want to say something. What is the meaning of this? Suppose sine square 120 degree. Suppose it means sine of 120 degree its square. Okay, suppose tan cube 30 degrees. Suppose. So what is the meaning of that? It is tan of 30 degree its cube. Got it? So it doesn't mean that only tan cube is there. The angle is also included, because it's the ratio of this trigonometry, that is tan 30 and its cube. Okay, whatever. Suppose 10 to the power 4 30 degree means 10 to the power 4 30 degree. It means tan of 30 degree whole to the power 4. Right? Now we shall start question number 1. Sine cube 120 degree. It means sine of 120. How can you write? 90 plus 30. This is sine 120, but its cube we have to write. Its cube. Okay. Now, as it is odd multiple of 90 degree, this means 1 into 90 degree. Is not it? 1 into 90 degree. So sine is converted to cos. Cos of 30 degree. Okay, now the sign will be positive or negative. Let us see. We have to go for this ASTC. This is in the which quadrant? To get the sign, we have to see this where it is located. 1 into 90 degree. 1 into 90 degree is up to this much, then plus 30. So it is in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, this sign is positive or negative? Positive, right? So it's cube. Now dear students, there is no other option. You have to learn the trigonometric table. Okay, so from there, what is cos of 30 degree? Cos of 30 degree is root 3 by 2 cube. Okay, root 3 cube means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Okay, this root 3 into root 3 is 3. Then another root 3 is left. 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, it is 8. Got it? So thus we have done the number 1. First one we have done. Now second one, let us move to here. It is cos square 135 degree. So let us do cos of 90 plus 45 degree. We have to write its square. Right. Now dear students, you can see this is odd multiple of 90 degree. 1 into 90. So cos is converted to sine of 45 degree. Now we will go for the sine. This plus minus, that sign. Okay, not sin. Okay, where it is located? 1 plus 1, 2. That is, it is in the second quadrant. 90 plus 45. In the second quadrant, this cos is negative because it is sine is only positive. So this is negative. We have given a minus sign. It's square. No problem. Minus. What is the value of sine 45 degree? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. It's square. So it is negative sign and it is the power is positive. Sorry, power is even number. So we know that this answer will be positive. So 1 square is 1. Root 2 square is 2. This is done. 1 is done. 2 is done. Okay, now let us rub it to do number 3 and 4. Okay, now my dear students, let us move to number 3. What is there? It is 10 square 330 degree. No problem. So 10. Now 330 degree in terms of 90, how can I write? This is 3 into 90 plus 60 degree. Is that it? Okay, 3 into 90 is 270 plus 60. 330 directly we can do. Now its square. As square is there, so we shall write its square. Right. This is odd multiple of 90 degree. So it is cot. 10 is converted to cot. Cot 60 degree. Then we shall see its sine. This is in the which quadrant? 3 plus 1. Fourth quadrant. 3. At first we have to rotate. We have to complete 390 degree. 1, 2, 390 degree plus 60 degree here. This is in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive, but 10 is negative. So it's square. So this is equal to, this is minus sign. Okay. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3 square. As it is even number and minus sign, so the answer is going to be plus positive. 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3. Right. Now number 4. Cosec cube 300 degree plus sec cube 300 degree. No problem. Cosec 300 degree means 3 into 90 degree is 270. 270 plus 30. Okay, it's cube plus, okay, then sec is sec 3 into 90 degree plus 30 degree. Okay, it's, as cube is there, we shall write cube. Okay, now it is this cosec, it is, you see, it is odd multiple of 90 degree. So cosec will be converted to sec of this 30 degree. Now plus or minus. Okay, this is in which quadrant? 3 plus 1, 4. Fourth quadrant. Okay, 390 degree. 1, 2, 3, 90 degree plus 30 degree. So it lies here. Here cosec is negative. Only cos is cos and sec are positive here. So this cosec is negative. we have to write its cube because cube is there, plus sign. Then here sec will be converted to cosec because it is odd multiple of 90 degree, cosec 30 degree. Now about the sign, this trigonometry ratio lies in the which quadrant? 3 plus 1, 4, fourth quadrant, 1 2 3 4. Here fourth quadrant, 390 degree, 1 2 390 degree plus 30, so it obviously lies in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, sec is positive or negative? Positive, because here cos and sec, only those two are positive, so this is positive. We are not going to put the positive sign, its cube, equal sign, then minus sign. Now what is sec 30? Sec 30 is the reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so it is 2 by root 3 cube plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 is the reciprocal of sin 30. Sin 30 is half, so it is 2 cube. So this is minus sign and the power is odd, so it is going to be minus only. 2 cube is 8 in, okay, then root 3 cube is 3 root 3 plus 8. You can keep the answer like this also, or even you can simplify this 8 minus 8 by 3 root 3. You can take 8 common. If 8 is common, what is left? 1 minus 1 divided by 3 root 3. Okay, this is done. So 1 2 3 4 done. Now let us move to number 5. My beloved students, we have done up to question number 4. Now let us move to number 5. Number 5 is also very easy. You will find, that is sine square 330 degree plus, okay, cos square 30 degree. Okay, so what is this? Sine 3 into 90 degree plus 60 degree, right? Right, its square. We know the value of it, but later on we'll put, okay, we'll put the values, both the values together simultaneously. We shall put. Now here it is odd multiple of 90 degree, so sine is converted to cos of 60 degree. Okay, now the sine, this is in which quadrant? 3 plus 1, fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant, this sine is positive or negative? Sine is negative here because cos is positive here, so this is minus its square plus cos square 30 degree minus cos 60. Cos 60 is half square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square, so it is 1 by 4. This is root 3 square is 3 by 4. 1 plus 3, 4 by 4. Answer is 1. So number 5 is also done. Now let us do number 6. This is cos of 63 degree, cos of 27 degree plus sine of 63 degree, sine of 27 degree. This answer can be done in many ways. Okay, but here you see, okay, according to the book, whatever given the question answer is given, according to that we'll do. Okay, now you know that suppose cos of 90 minus theta is sine theta. Here only sine and cos is there, so I am writing that those formula only. So sine of 90 minus theta is cos of theta, right? So cos 63 is given, cos this one. Okay, if it is written cos, we can convert to sine. This is sine of 90 degree minus 63 degree. This will be like this only, cos of 27 degree. The bigger angle we are converting into smaller angle. Here again this sine 63, sine is converted to cos like this, cos of 90 minus theta, that is 90. If it is theta, then it is 90 minus theta. If it is written in terms of cos, so sine is written in terms of cos. Cos 90 minus 63 degree, sine of 27 degree, correct. Then sine of 90 minus 63 is 27 degree. Then this is cos 27 degree. Cos 90 minus 63 is cos 27 degree. This is sine 27 degree, right? Now you see they are like terms, so this plus this is, there will be twice of this, isn't it? Because they are same. Suppose x plus x is twice x. Sine 27 cos 27, sine 27 cos 27. So their sum is twice of sine 27 degree cos 27 degree. Alright, now let us do number 7. Sine square 210 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus cot square 45 degree. Okay, let us write sine. This is 2 into 90 degree is 180. 180 then 30, 210. Its square written. We know the values of this. Later on we shall put. This is cos square 30 degree minus cot square 45 degree, right? This is even multiple, so sine is going to be sine only, sine of 30 degree. This is in which quadrant? This ratio is in which quadrant? 2 plus 1, 3, third quadrant. Third quadrant 10 is positive but sine is negative, so minus sine 30 its square plus cos square 30 degree minus cot square 45 degree, right? Minus sine 30 is how much? Half square. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, its square, minus cot 45. Cot 45 is 1, its square. It is 1 by 4, 3 by 4 minus 1. I am writing the answer. Their sum, okay, I am writing here 1 plus 3, 4 by 4 minus 1. 4 by 4 is 1 minus 1, answer is 0. Okay, now let us do number 8 and 9 now. Alright, beloved students, here we have taken number 8. Now let us convert each. This is sine 300 degree. How can we write in terms of 90 degree? Multiple of 90 degree. 3 into 90, 270. 270 plus 30. Got it? Okay. 10, 135. So this is 10 of 1 into 90. Directly you can write 90 plus 45 degree written into 10 of 330. So 10 of 3 into 90 is 270 plus 60 degree will be 330, right? Sine of 210. So 2 into 90, 180. 180 plus 30, right, is 210 degree into sec 4 into 90, 360 plus 60 degree. You see 360 and that we have to get 420 plus 60, 0 2 4, right. Okay, then sec of 315 degree, sec, so 3 into 90, 270 plus 45, is not it? 315, so plus 45 degree, correct. Now odd multiple, this is odd multiple of 90 degrees, so sine is converted to cos 30 degree. About the sine, this is in which quadrant? 3 plus 1, fourth quadrant. Sine is negative because cos is positive here, so this is negative. Odd multiple of 90 degrees, so 10 is converted to cot of 45 degree. This is in which quadrant? 1 into 9, that is 1 plus 1 to second quadrant. 10 is negative, so minus into, this is odd multiple of 90, so 10 will be converted to cot of 60 degree. Got it? Okay, this is in which quadrant? 3 plus 1, 4. This quadrant 10 is negative, minus odd, this is even multiple, so sine is going to be sine only, sine of 30 degree. This is in which quadrant? 2 plus 1, 3, third quadrant. In third quadrant sine is negative because 10 is positive, minus last ratio. Okay, this is even multiple of 90 degrees, so sec is going to be sec only, sec 60 degree. This is 360 plus 60 means 1 rotation plus this plus 60. 1 rotation plus 60. This is in the first quadrant. How? This is in which quadrant? We can see 4 plus 1 5. Fifth quadrant. 1 2 3 4 5. That is in the first quadrant. First quadrant all are positive. So this is also positive. Now this is odd multiple of 90 degree. So sec is converted to cosec. Cosec of 45 degree. Now about the sine. This is in which quadrant? Sec is 3 plus 1 4. Fourth quadrant sec is positive because here cos and sec, these two are positive, right? So we can assume that this negative sign removed, negative sign removed. Just we have to substitute the values. Cos 30 degree. Here you have to be careful so that you can put the correct values. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cot 45 is 1 into cot 60 degree is 1 by root 3. Sin 30 is half. Here minus cancel. Sec 60. Sec is a reciprocal of cos. Cos 60 is half. So it is 2. Cosec 45. Cosec 45 is the reciprocal of sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So it is root 2. Let us simplify it further. This is root 3 by 2. 1 by root 3 and this is 2 by 1. 2 by root 2. This 2 will get cancelled. This 2 will get cancelled. 2 by root 2 means this 2 is root 2 into root 2 and this root 2. They will get cancelled. Answer is root over 2. Okay, now only number 9 is left. Let us do that one. Now my beloved students, only one is left. Number 9. Let us write the question here. It is tan of 495 degree divided by cot of 855 degree. Right. Let us convert into 90 degree. You know the procedure. Tan of. Okay. So 5 into 90. 5 into 90. 450 then plus 45. I am doing in the opposite way. I hope you are understanding. Okay, otherwise you can actually the actual thing is that the 4 from 495 we have to subtract this, then only we get this 45. But in the easier way you can do in that way also. Sometimes we do plus 45 degree. Then cot of 9 into 90, 9 into 90 is 810. 810 plus 45, 855. 10 odd multiple of 90. So cot 45 degree. Right? This is about the sign. This is in the which quadrant? 5 plus 1, 6. 6th quadrant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 10 is negative. 10 is negative. Minus sign. Then cot is again odd multiple of 90 degree. So cot is converted to 10 45 degree. This is in the which quadrant? About the sign we want to see. 9 plus 1 10. 4 8 9 10. Here okay, in the second quadrant cot is negative. Here sign is positive only. So this is negative. So minus cancel. Cot 45 is 1, 10 45 is also 1, 1 by 1 is 1. Thus we have completed the today's class.